Hello friends, let's continue to crochet a little dog, and now let's make the head. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the next round we make 2 increases, 1, 2. Then we make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 increases, 1, 2. A slip stitch and a chain, and now we have 16 loops in a round. In the next round we make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. An increase and a single crochet, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain, and we have 18 loops in a round. In the next 2 rounds we make 18 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 and 18. We change a color. In the 7th round we make 3 increases on the top side. We make single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop. Then we make the second increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop, and the third increase, and then we make single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch, a chain, and we can cut the first thread. In the next round, we also make 3 increases on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The first increase, a single crochet. The second increase, a single crochet. The third increase, and single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A slip stitch and a chain. Now we have 24 loops in a round, and in the next round we make 6 increases on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's see where we can make increases. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7 single crochets, and let's start to make increases. The first increase, a single crochet. The second increase, a single crochet. The third increase, a single crochet. The fourth increase, a single crochet. The fifth increase, a single crochet, and the sixth increase, and single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and a chain. Now we have 30 loops in a round, and in the next round we make 6 increases. 1 single crochet, another one, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 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 1, 2. A slip stitch and a chain. Now we have 36 loops in a round, and the next 6 rounds we make without changes for 36 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 35, 36. We've made 16 rounds, and now it's time to fix the eyes and to embroider a nose. And we have such a cute face. We can also make an embroidery, and we can make stripes over the eyes. We make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cut the thread. And sew the stripe. And in the 7th round, we start to make decreases. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 decrease, 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 3 single crochets between them. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and we continue till the end of the round. Add fiber fill, and in the next round we make 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and go on till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 6 decreases with 1 single crochet between them. We start from a decrease and make a single crochet in the next loop. A decrease, a single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. Add more fiber fill, and in the next round we make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and a chain. We leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. And we don't close the hole, we will make it later. And the head is ready. See you in the next part.